Flying into Anchorage for a cruise from Whittier, Alaska? One thing that confuses a lot of first-time cruisers is how to get from the airport to the Whittier port. In this video, we'll show you exactly where to catch the cruise line bus for Holland America and Princess Cruise Lines. When you arrive at Ted Stevens International Airport in Anchorage, head to the cruise line transfer area found in the lower level baggage claim area. The airport isn't very large, but there are a few cool things to check out while you're there. Hey everybody, Ann and Chris here. We are at the Ted Stevens Anchorage International Airport, and we're here to show you, if you are going on a cruise with Princess or Holland America, what you need to do to catch the shuttle to Whittier. So here we are down in baggage claim at the airport. So once you get your bags, you come off your plane, or if you're coming in the day before, you can take an Uber or whatever to get back here to door 1. So you get back to baggage claim, you get your bags, and you go, there's a desk right here by the door, by door 1, with some wonderful personnel who will help direct you to where you need to be and to check you in. The next step will be to check your luggage, which is just down here. Once you check in for the transfer, they'll tag your luggage and you won't see it again until it arrives at your stateroom. Plan to arrive at least an hour before your scheduled bus departure. The drive from Anchorage to Whittier takes a little over 2 hours and features some incredible scenery along the way. For the best views, try to sit on the right side of the bus. Depending on timing, your bus may even stop briefly so you can take in the Alaskan landscape. The final stretch takes you through the Anton Anderson Memorial Tunnel, a 2.5-mile long, 1-lane tunnel that is shared by both trains and vehicles. Once you exit the tunnel, you're on Whittier, and the bus will drop you right at the cruise port. Enjoy your Alaskan adventure!